go. I'm going her, don't see her face. But the French people is so crazy. Bro, where are you looking at? Guys, tell where she's looking at, but she's looking at in my mom. And then, now, let's speed this. So guys, this is normal now. And let's give her a little bottle on her mouth.
ABS-CBN News.
Ngayong huling araw ng trabaho bago ang undas at araw natin integrated terminal exchange.
We need to make this blue again.
Pabalik ng Manila para iwas abala. Ang right mula PIPX nagpapatrol easy
Okay,
mga pasahero ngayon.
so look, there's a McDonald's sign over here, so let's delete that. Sagi.
Pauwi pa lang ng Bicol sa Melissa ngayong Webes para magpundas. Pero nagpabook na
Okay guys, so here's baby Shaja.
Kung tutuusin, maiksi lang naman talaga yung biyahe na yan. Pero ito sa oras.
Oh, I forget the forehead. Wait, I forget the